We pretty much grew our company by just saying yes to every one of our customers' needs. We're a facilities maintenance company. We provide over 13 different services, and we do it in about 5,000 locations nationwide. It's a 24/7, 365-day out-of-the-year business. And to have a bank like First Commonwealth that just pretty much takes the stress off, it's just been a beautiful relationship.
We continue to do business with First Commonwealth because they continue to give us what we need. They're willing to jump through hoops in order to make sure that we can do what we need to do to continue to stay in business and grow the business.
Over the years, First Commonwealth has been with us through thick and thin. They ask the right questions, and it's amazing how much they remember. They'll call you, email you, and say, hey, how about extending that equipment line of credit? What are your needs next year for equipment? How can we get the ball rolling now? That's the relationship we have at First Commonwealth.
They take ownership of our problems as well and really help us out, where a lot of banks wouldn't do that, you know.
They value the small business relationship because of the level of trust that you can build up. Whether it was servicing us on our insurance needs or whether it's servicing us on our banking needs, we have no reason to look elsewhere. That's what being a small business owner, doing business in a small town, in a small community, should be about. They've exceeded every expectation I've ever had with working with a bank. It's been a great ride.